When I think about financial modeling, there are two things that come to mind. First, the obvious numbers on a page. These are the projections that you're making to help drive your decision-making process. The second is that there really is a financial story that's being told with the models. So if you are a CFO or a senior level stakeholder who's presenting to your finance committee or presenting to your board of directors, board of trustees, internal or external stakeholders, there's a story that you want to tell. There's a story that unfolds based on the numbers. And the outcome of that is that you can have a discussion around what you should do. Strategic decisions, important decisions. So one of the real values that our clients get out of the financial modeling platform is they can have much richer discussions around those strategic decisions, around those mission critical decisions, because the financial story is clear, it's accurate, it's transparent, it's visible. It starts with the presentation decks, which gives you a visible representation of whatever that story is that you're trying to tell. But more importantly, all the stakeholders know that the underlying calculations, the formulas, the numbers that you came up with are accurate because the platform is auditable, the numbers are transparent, and the numbers are visible. So the ability to tell your financial story within the platform is a tremendous value that our clients get.